Okay, and then you need this place so that the human beings can keep going, so the species can keep going. Okay, so it's like you will have children, you will have a family, and you will earn means, because these are the guys who will drive the society. These are the guys who will protect the society. You know, these are the actionable karma yoga basically people. So these will be like protectors who will provide food, who will do all of these things. And then when they go to this third stage, then they will be provided. You understand? Look at how nicely the system is designed. Today, even after working 40 years, the government cannot even provide pension you for 5 years. Like still most of the government are going bankrupt in that only. And look at how they must have like balanced and thought of this system, in which you only need to work in like 1/4 of your life, and everything else is either learning or actually going towards the spiritual journey. I will take that. I will 20 years of working, that is fine with me. But and it is designed like you start from the zero. So like child, no memories, nothing, like pure life form. It comes, and then finally after it reaches the peak of physical existence, or the peak of what do you say, intellect and everything, then you start going down, and finally you become zero again. So at the time of your death, you will be like, I'm dying, and you will be like, thank you. It should be like that. How many people die like that? Tell me. How many people die is like, okay, yeah, so much has happened, such a nice life, and they're like, yes, let's go. Very few. Like I look at like even the oldest people like around me. When I went to India, I like, that was my like, I wanted to observe everyone. I was like, what is happening? Most old people are like so attached. They don't want to let go. Even though they have seen so much, they have seen like all of this is bullshit. But still. So this is like now let me put like what my power basically. Where do I lie? Or like not my power, like it's not something I have discovered. It's like the concept of like, so this you are looking in terms of time, right? Timeline, like 20 years, like timeline, right? But if you keep reducing it, I can look this in what is timeline. Year is like, what is year? Is a combination of days. 365 days makes a year, and a day is combination of day and night. Okay, and if you even let's say let me broke it like in first that model. So this time model, if you keep kind of like breaking it down, so this is like your life. I broke it down first in terms of sections, which is like composition of years. So like 20 year section. Okay, then here I am breaking it down in terms of just one day, like day and night. So this is like the daytime, and this is like the night time, whatever you do certain activity. I've not plotted this because what I want to actually discuss is this part. And if I break this down into like the minutest thing that our concept can understand is like this. So this is like present. Present means what? Like this moment. So right now the video is at 11:55, 11:56. Present is going. It's running. You understand? It's like 12 minutes now. 12:01, 12:02. It's gone. So this is not a static model. It's like a dynamic model. Okay. Where the problem that we, get stuck in is like this dynamic movement. So that this dynamic movement, I have nothing like this phone. I don't care. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just speaking in front of a phone, and that is the reality. Okay, or not even phone. Let's remove the phone also as a concept. I'm speaking in front of a glass in which I can see a person speaking. I have identified that person with myself or my identity, but it's just a person speaking or a visual happening and a sound coming. That's it. Nothing else. The same thing AI can also do. It can create a visual and a sound with it, and it can create all of this. Like if AI can create like Van Gogh paintings and all of this, can't the AI create like message like this? Very easy. Most of the people, they don't understand this concept of present. What is present? The moment I speak, it's gone. Now it's 13, 20, 13, 21. So how do we live our life? We live our life is like, so right now, this moment, 13:30, exactly this moment, am I completely aware of what I have been given? What I have been given means, like I have these beautiful trees around me, and this is like so silent. Even these things are rare. It's not like that, like this, like that. I mean, there are some mosquitoes, but that is fine. That is also part and parcel of what is given. But even sitting here, if I enjoy this moment to the fullest, and I keep moving with the time, and I enjoy every moment, let's not even say enjoy. Let's say I will be aware of every moment, like what is given or what is here. That means you are completely in present. Got it? Do you see people, they are like blanked out, they are like, and then someone calls them their name and like, huh? I do a lot. It happens. It still happens with me a lot. So when you do that, it means you are not actually using the complete moment that was given to you. You are only using the mental, or not even mental, like the intellect portion of it, the brain portion of it. So this is another distinction that I want to make. We need to do it because it's so confusing. The science has like fucked up all these words. Okay. Brain is this.